Ready to ditch that controller and feel the asphalt under your fingertips? Let's get your Thrustmaster T80 Ferrari connected to your PC in under 90 seconds. First, locate the USB cable attached to your Thrustmaster T80 racing wheel. This is the main connection that transmits all the input data to your computer. Make sure the wheel is powered off. Now, find an available USB port on your computer. It's generally best to use a USB 2.0 port or higher for optimal performance. Avoid using USB hubs if possible, as they can sometimes cause connectivity issues. Plug the wheel's USB cable firmly into the USB port. Windows should automatically recognize the wheel. However, to ensure proper function, open your device manager. You can find this by searching for Device Manager in the Windows search bar. Look for your wheel under Human Interface Devices or Other Devices if you see it. It means it's successfully connected. Next, visit the Thrustmaster support website. Search for the drivers for your T80 Ferrari racing wheel. Download the latest driver version that's compatible with your operating system. This ensures you get the best performance and compatibility. Once downloaded, install the driver software. After installation, you should have a Thrustmaster control panel installed on your computer. Open this control panel and calibrate your wheel and pedals. This will ensure accurate input in your games. Finally, launch your favorite racing game and go to the controller or input settings. Select the Thrustmaster T80 Ferrari as your preferred controller. You might need to configure the button mappings to your liking. And that's it. You're now ready to experience the thrill of racing with your Thrustmaster T80. Enjoy the race.